guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so it's about 4:30 in the morning. I got up at 4 because I am heading home. So yeah, like my cab will probably come in about 20 to 30 minutes. And I took bath and I'm a little ready. I need to just wind up the things in the house before I leave. But yeah, I mean, I thought I would vlog this because tomorrow is my birthday and I thought I would vlog it from the day before because after going home I have a long day, and yeah, so come along with me and I hope you do like this video. Fit check, all set to go. So I'm all checked in, I have my coffee and I'm waiting for boarding to start. We just landed So now we are headed to a puja, which is there in like our I don't know what exactly to call it, but anyways, there's a puja that I'm going for, and I'll have lunch there mostly. After that, I have a lot of work to do. So yeah, see you guys. Anyways, I'm not vlogging as much yet, but I'm back from the puja and I got my nails done. I hope it looks nice. I like the color a lot. This is most probably gonna be the last birthday that I get to celebrate at home in Mumbai, because I really don't know about next year and the year after that and all of that, because masters, so I'll be out. And so I'm heading to the salon to get a little makeover done for my hair. I thought of just trimming it a little bit because I have a lot of split ends. It's been long since I trimmed my hair, so I thought I would do that. So right now I'm at the parlor getting a haircut. So I'm done with my haircut. It's just walking distance from my place, so I'm just going back home. Nothing much, just a little change. Hi guys, so I'm all ready. I'm wearing this just till I reach, but yeah, all ready. Let's go. So we are at One8 Commune. I got some lovely flowers from, and only Mahika featured, I feel like. Mahika and I both gave the flowers and sunflowers because she thought that it looked very good with her outfit. Black. She's wearing a black dress, right? So with the outfit it looked very good. So I think I should go take some good pictures with the flowers in my hand. And with us also. Obviously, we will get have a full photo shoot for like a good 20 minutes every time we meet.
We have lots of time, lots of content.
But I'm very hungry. So can we order? Same.
I'm not having it for lunch.
Look at the aesthetic from
The aesthetic, the real aesthetic.
पीछे विराट कोहली का साइन भी है.
We're on a tour, so this is a little bit of a good area. It's aesthetic. I'm Rashi.
Hi guys,
Host for the evening. So this is a very pretty corner. This is very well designed, whatever this material is called. And that is Virat's signature. That's Virat's signature.
Prettiest corner.
And this is the more pretty than that.
Oh my god.
Prettiest corner.
Sorry guys for annoying you all with these two people.
Guys, food is here. And our influencing starts with photography and videography of the food.
So guys, we have ordered the truffle pav bhaji.
Yeah, sliders.
And what?
Truffle pav bhaji sliders.
We've ordered the truffle pav bhaji sliders.
Sliders, yeah.
Sliders or sliders? So we've ordered the truffle pav bhaji sliders.
Correct.
And it looks very yummy because it looks like a normal pav bhaji.
Chow.
This cute tomato onion salad, which I'm very excited about. Full vlogging is going on. Oh my god, so aesthetically squeezing.
You have to put subtitles, huh?
What subtitles?
These that we ordered the basilico piece.
Okay, so what did we have till now? We had some mushroom dabba.
We have had
Virat's favorite,
and the basilico pizza,
which was good.
which was really nice.
I also really like. So now the next thing that we're having is this which she has already given detailed description of.
Yeah, so watch it. Watch
So
her video.
watch that.
An eternity later.
Truffle pav bhaji sliders. I'm still not wrapping in
People
my
are basically talking about what is cider, what is slider.
Actually, she should be able to tell us because you're in the cooking field.
I'm a dietitian. Ideally, we should not be eating all this.
Ideally, now let's have it if you're hungry.
Okay, guys, so our influencer here has an idea. So please
Have
share.
you all both of you are filming? It feels so cool, paparazzi.
Yeah, boy.
Maitna, Maika, tell now what's the name of the song?
something like that.
The drama night. So people make anything inspirational, any joke. So we are going to go to Juhu Beach. So we are just thinking what. So I'm suggesting कि समुंदर की लहरों में हम. We are not thinking. What we were discussing are either motivational or cringe content work for Instagram. So let's make something motivational.
To work very, very rarely. It doesn't work.
समुंदर की लहरों में.
आपका क्या ख्याल है राशि की बातें सुन के?
राशि ने अभी जो भी बोला है वो इतना डीप है कि क्या ऑडियंस समझ पाएगी.
आप कंटिन्यू करो मेरी लाइन. मेरी लाइन थी.
मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी.
मैं मेरी लाइन थी समुंदर की लहरों में हम हैं खोए हुए. अभी आप कंटिन्यू करिए.
मैं खो गई हूँ. मैं नहीं कर
उससे बाहर नहीं आ
मैं
सकती.
मतलब मैं ये सेंटेंस सुन के इतनी शॉक में हूँ नहीं हो पाएगा.
Guys, we are done
Everywhere with the
dinner.
sunflowers.
Yeah, I'm obsessed with these flowers.
Main character moment is happening.
That's true. Yes. I was hoping to see Virat Kohli, but yeah, we saw Sargun Mehta and Ravi Dubey. They're cute. They're really
They're
cute.
very cute and they're very good looking.
Yeah, like they
Genuinely look how they look on camera.
But yeah, we didn't want to like unnecessarily disturb them.
Yeah.
Their time. So yeah, anyways, it was a good time here, and now we are headed to my house.
Birthday eve is going very good.
My mom has banned my entry into the house. Obviously, there's something being planned.
This is the moon that you all can see here and it's full moon night. This is the moon and it's full moon today. It's Purnima. I was born on Purnima. So it's my birthday today also today. Celebrate my birthday.
Happy birthday. So yeah, so we are simply sitting. I've come to this place, which was like earlier like a very fun play area for me because there was grass.
But now also it's fun only.
Yeah, we
But
wanted to go on the
listen,
swing, but
this
we couldn't.
turf wala thing is not as fun as that grass ka. That वो बचपन का यार, like that memory won't go now.
So now it's Matangi's reaction.
Hi.
Go, come. Now walk.
Oh my god.
Don't look.
Are you straight? Yeah, you go. Hey, wait. Now open.
So I did not vlog much after coming home because it was full family time and we just kind of just spent time and then got the cake and all. I probably added the clips. But today is my birthday day. And right now I'm just chilling at home, nothing much. Because it's a working day, like I can't really do much. But probably I'm going out for dinner. Let's see how that goes, if I am going or not, because I have 2 dogs at home, so leaving them home and all of us going out for dinner is slightly difficult. But let's see, let's try figuring out some place which is probably pet friendly so that I can take them as well. But anyways, let's see. I'm at Starbucks. So we're at the Starbucks close to my house. I've come here with my father and yeah, I'm having the same drink. Both of us are having the same drink. Iced coffee. Hi Appa, say hi. So as usual, I've ordered iced coffee. I couldn't think of any other drink. So यहाँ पे भी आके I ordered an iced coffee. But so I am ready. And today we are going to this really nice place in Powai. It's called Madeira and Mime. Anyways, we decided to go there for dinner. Sorry, my dogs are there running around and barking a lot. But yeah, it's also a pet friendly place. So all of us are going. We're taking these two as well. And yeah, it's gonna be a family dinner. So I'm just leaving, and the thing is my parents have already gone. My parents and my grandparents have already gone because we had the booking, but my brother had office. So right now I'm gonna go with him and my dogs. Hopefully we reach. You all know, if you all are in Mumbai, you all will know the Mumbai car traffic, which is next level. So hopefully we reach soon. We are going. This is Jay. That's Fluffy, who's already sat down because he's tired. And we're going to Madeira and Mime.
Madeira and Mime.
There's a lot of traffic. Mumbai traffic, as usual. So this is the restaurant, Madeira and Mime. And we're getting these boys out, which is a task because they're super excited. Mom is already there. So there's some pizza, some dal pakwan, khichdi. All of us enjoying food. And our little boy, Jay, is here. Fluffy's on the other side. So yeah. So we just finished dinner. And how did you like the place?
It was good. Nice food, good chill environment because it's nice and there's winters in Bombay.
Yeah, at least the weather, it's not hot, we can't sit outside. And I think these two, see, this is Fluffy, they had the best time because they got nice chicken that we don't give, like we don't give boiled chicken at home because we are vegetarians. So unko jo milta hai, it's usually that pedigree ka packet, that
Or
only
like home cooked meals.
yeah, that's it. So they got like good boiled chicken. So they literally gobbled that entire plate of chicken in less than 2 minutes. So yeah, they had a good time. So it was a nice place where we could, all of us could go. This was the first time ki we all went somewhere.
Yeah,
Like with Jay Fluffy.
Entire family.
Yeah, it was fun. Okay, so this is actually 2 days after my birthday. I did not vlog the outro, so I was like, okay, fine, better late than never, right? So yeah, that was how I celebrated my birthday. I did not like record like the main birthday cake cutting time because it was just at home and it kind of slipped out of my mind. But anyways, I hope you guys liked my video, and if you all did, so do like, share and subscribe, and see you guys soon in my next one.